Hindi pumasok ang tira. Benny Cheng picks it up over to Chris King. Watch out! Watch out! Oh! Saan ito ngayon sa Chris King. Binigay kay Herencio. Herencio sumaksak! Lumayab! Yes!
Ayan na naman si Fireman Pido Herencio.
Dwight Lago binigay kay Kevin Holland. Nilabas kay Jolas. Jolas Timosa with a 3-point shot! Jojo Lastimosa is sizzling hot. Diba?
Ayun, siya lang ang presidente.
Jojo Lastimosa blocked by JB Cayoso and a traveling violation is called. Georgia was hoping for a jump ball situation pero traveling ang tinawag. Yes. Series which is a best of 7. Game number 1 taken by Gordon's Gin. Dito naman sa ating game number 2, lamang ng 14 puntos ang Gordons sa pagpasok natin dito sa second half. 57-43. Gordons ang may unang tangan ng possession at pinabayaan na naman si Chris King sa labas. Sabi ni Chris King, ano ba kayo? Ayaw niyo ba talaga?
Sabi ni Chris King, ayaw niyo akong i-double team, titira na lang ako sa labas. And again, he's making Alaska pay the price.
Georgia Lastimosa missing. There's the putback by Kevin Holland. Ano mo ito si Chris King? 4 na 3-point shot na ang ipinupukol nito na pumapasok. At ngayon si Pochuino medyo ingat na. Ito binibigyan ng konting coverage galing sa labas. Pido Herencio.
Well, partner,
yes.
in the first half, Alaska out-rebounded Gordons 22-17. Pero partner, itong Gordons naman, hindi siguro kailangan sila mag-rebound because 62% shooting sila. Wala na silang
rebounded.
Pumapasok kasi yung mga tira nila. Ito, fast break attack.
Bong Hawkins with a left-handed layup. Hawkins has a total of 10 points in the game pero 20 puntos lamang ang kanya na-score nung second quarter. So it's still a commanding 13-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin at nasa kanilang ang bola. Chris King lamang kay Pochuino.
Ito, wala na naman double team. Tumira na naman sa labas. Pasok na naman!
Pang-5 na 3-point shot ni Chris King. At hindi malaman ni Pochuino kung anong gagawin niya kasi kung dikitan naman niya, lulusot yan. Johnny Abarientos. Uy, may offensive foul. Could be on Pochuino here as he established the pick para kay Johnny Abarientos.
Partner Johnny Abarientos is most effective on the floor if he's dishing off to his teammates, creating situations. But he's being forced to play one-on-one offense against Gordons because napakahigpit ng depensa on Johnny Abarientos. Ito, to underscore that point, partner, in the first half, Alaska only 9 assists, but ang Gordons Gin 16 assists. Kaya kulang na kulang sa people at ball movement ang Alaska. And the reason for that is because of the tough defense on Abarientos.
Samantala, the Alaska players looking very frustrated as a loose ball foul is called on Jojo Lastimosa as he got Vince Hizon out of the way in that rebound scramble. Good pivot by Chris King. Sumama na si Pochuino sa ibabaw at he will give up the foul.
Partner, here's the big difference. No? Ito si Chris King is the number 1 offensive option ng Gordons. Kanina nakita natin, taking the 3-point shot, nasa labas siya. Ito naman yung last play, low post play, tapos he curled and escaped the defense of Alaska. Nakapulot siya ng foul. So siya ang number 1 offensive option ng Gordons. On the other hand, ito naman si Kevin Holland is not even the second offensive option ng Alaska. At hindi siya nakakapukol. And this man has a lot of problems.
And you can see that. He looks it. Pochuino is recalled to the bench. Si Chris King, meron pang isang free throw. 65-47. Matindi na ito. 18 puntos na po ang kalamangan ng Gordon's Gin dito sa third period. Georgia Lastimosa at right quarter court. Lumapit. Jolas, amid the jeers of the crowd, scores on a short jumper. Georgia Lastimosa currently with 9 points in the game para sa Alaska Milk. Pero malaki-laki itong hahabulin nila. 16 puntos na po ang abante ng Gordon's Gin. Pido Herencio. Short jumper, pasok din.
Partner, yung flow ng offense ng Gordons. Nakita natin ngayon, dino-double team si Chris King. But he certainly knows when to give up the ball pag nagdo-double team ang depensa ng Alaska.
Johnny Abarientos. Binigay kay Dwight Lago at the side. Ayaw pumasok. Last touch on Kevin Holland. Nothing going the way of Alaska Milk at this juncture, mga kaibigan. Even the breaks are not going their way.
Mukhang hindi pa nag-a-adjust ang depensa ng Alaska. They're not pressuring the ball carrier and they're allowing the easy pass into Chris King. Ito na naman, one-on-one. Ito, inintay niya yung double team. Someone's open.
Mid-season, binigay kay Marlo Aquino. Labas ulit kay Chris King. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Pino Haresio is open! Wala. Bong Hawkins para sa rebound. Binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos into the front court. The bounce pass to Giorgio Lastimosa. Referee Tito Varela halts play. At medyo nakatitigan itong si
Harencio
at saka si Jolas.
Kaya alam natin ito si Pino Harencio is not gonna back down. At alam natin si Lastimosa also will not back down. Eh sabi ni Harencio that Giorgio Lastimosa pushed him off prior to the contact. Ito, sila eyeball to eyeball. Oh, eye to eye.
Ito na si Johnny. Napalpal pero nakuha ni Dwight Lago. Jumper by Lago. Masyado malakas. Kevin Holland. There's going to be a loose ball foul. At si Noli Locsin ang tinuro ni referee Balyaser. Third personal foul na yan ni Noli Locsin. First team foul para sa Gordon's Gin. Second team foul rather para sa Gordon's Gin dito sa third period. Ang ating score, 67 para sa Gordons, 49 para sa Alaska. 18 puntos po ang abante ng Gordon's Gin.
The partner coach Tim Coe now going with a smaller lineup. And si Johnny Abarientos getting the shot from the baseline. Si Dwight Lago ngayon nasa loob ng court. Let's see how this small lineup of Alaska fares against Gordons. At alam natin, in the first half, 9 fast break points sa Gordons, Alaska only 2.
Telegraph pass. Nakakitang-kita yun ni Kevin Holland. Dwight Lago ngayon, binigay kay Bong Hawkins, laman kay Chris King. Hawkins, good fake. Nilabas kay Kevin Holland. Jumper ni Holland. Yun, pumasok.
And that's a big shot. Yan ang sinasabi natin kanina, no? Holland must earn the respect of the defense of Gordon's Gin by shooting from the outside and scoring para lumabas ang depensa ng Gordon's Gin.
Kevin Holland with 16 points in the game. Pero lamang pa rin ang 14 ang Gordon's Gin, 67-53. Ben Season, wala. Bong Hawkins para sa rebound. Siya na nagdadala ng bola para sa Alaska Milk. Sinasalubong siya ni Chris King, binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Pumupwesto si Kevin Holland. But Johnny decides to go all the way in. Pero hindi pumasok ang tira. There's going to be a foul, however. Nakita ni referee Balyaser on Vince Hizon. Pangalawang personal foul yan ni Vince the Prince. At meron pa tayong 7 minutes and 39 seconds remaining in the third period. At ayan na naman ating Hyundai PBA Winning Drives promo. Tandaan nyo lang kung anong kotse nakita nyo sa screen. Write it down on an entry coupon with your name, address, and signature. Pagkatapos, ihulog po ninyo ang inyong mga entries sa drop boxes at any Eaton car dealer and get the chance to win a Hyundai Elantra sedan. Just see posters and print ads for more details.
Abarientos, 96.7% free throw shooter. Taas nun.
Oo.
That's a remarkable clip from the stripe by the Flying A.
Samantala si Pino Harencio at si Noli Locsin, pinupuna ni Coach Jaworski. Pinasok muli si Val David at kapapasok lamang ni Benny Cheng sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon dito sa larong ito. 67-55, 12 puntos po ang abante. Good defense there by Alaska Milk. Don't look now, but they're slowly eating away at this lead by Gordon's Gin. Pabaliktad na tira. Ayaw pa rin galing kay Holland. And a loose ball foul.
Sa ilalim, and I think that will be called on Gordons. At partner, mukhang maganda yata ang kombinasyon ni Coach Tim Cohn performing here early in the third period. Yung kanyang small lineup is getting the job done defensively. Nabubulabog ang offensa ng Gordon's Gin. Ito, tingnan natin.
Well, umabot na ng 18 puntos kanina ang kalamangan ng Gordon's Gin dito sa third quarter. Game point ay baba na sa 12. Giorgio Lastimosa, scoop pass. Kevin Holland masyadong malakas. At point blank range, nagbimintis pa rin.
Those are the heartbreaking losses for Kevin Holland.
Samantala, ay naman magpapasok ang mga tira ng Gordon's Gin. Kaya medyo nakakautay-utay na nababawasan ng Alaska Milk. Yung kalamangan, Jolas! Yes!
Ayan,
down to 10.
Partner, super one-on-one move by Giorgio Lastimosa. Walang pasahan yun. A simple individual effort, one-on-one. Lastimosa, pressure player ng Alaska.
11 points now for Jonas. At si Vince Hizon may tangan ng bola para sa Gordon's, binigay kay Chris King. Labas ulit kay Vince Hizon. Over to Val David who's open. Ayaw talaga pumasok. Johnny Abarientos picks up the loose ball. Naghihintay si Chris King. Tatlo ang nagbabantay na kay Johnny Abarientos and he waits for his teammates wisely. Binigay kay Giorgio Lastimosa. Lastimosa, subaksak sa loob. Another jumper from there and it falls in. Giorgio Lastimosa nakakuha pa ng foul and so down to a single-digit advantage now for Gordon's Gin. 12-2 run here by Alaska Milk. Ang foul pala kay Bong Hawkins. We have an early timeout by Gordon's. Bagang timeout po ang tinawag ni Coach Jaworski as Alaska Milk has inched its way down to a single-digit disadvantage o deficit. At si JV Gayoso ay na-foul sa ilalim. Tingnan natin kung sino ang tatawagan. May referee Tito Varela. Johnny Abarientos picks up his first personal foul. At ito si Johnny kasama si Jojo Lastimosa at si Kevin Holland. Ang siya pong nakapagpalapit dito sa Alaska Milk sa Gordon's Gin. Kanina po umabot ng 18 puntos na ang kalamangan ng Gordon's dito sa third quarter. Ngayon po ay 8. Pero nandiyan si JV Gayoso para tumikada ng free throw.
Apart na meron tayong napapansin dito. Ito si Chris King, halos hindi na nakakahawak ng bola for
Oo nga,
Gordon's Gin.
oo.
In the last few offensive thrusts, yung mga locals ngayon ang tumitira for Gordon's Gin and they have not been able to put in their shots.
Totoo
Kanya
yan.
po itong Alaska ay nakabalik na.
Ilang beses nagbintis, pabalik-balik itong Gordon's Gin on their forays on offense. At well, with those free throws by JV Gayoso, medyo nabigyan sila ng konting espasyo. Bong Hawkins being hounded by Chris King. Hawkins, ito sumasaksak pa rin sa loob. Muscling his way inside. He's up against 4 Alaska players. At tumalsik si Benny Cheng. Pero ang tatawagan, si Chris King.
King ang natawagan ng foul. And partner, just single coverage by Chris King coming from the outside.
As you look at the
Father
father
and
and son
son.
tandem, Jaworski Sr. and Jr. Siya nga pala, marami pa na tayong mga personalities na nagbe-birthday. Si Mr. Choi Kuhuangco ng Piltel Mobiline ay nagbe-birthday ngayon. At gayon din si Mr. Carlos Palanca III. Bukas naman ang kanyang karawan. Good company. Tatay ko kagabi. Attorney Bonifacio Pixon, 83 years old and counting. Okay.
Wish you many, many more.
Yes.
Ito naman si Bong Hawkins is also wishing for many, many more points.
O yun ang kailangan ngayon ng
Yung kalay
Alaska.
nagbintis ang kanyang first free throw. Ito si Hawkins.
9-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin with 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining dito sa third period. Bal David, binigay kay JV Gayoso.
Partner, maganda rin ang depensa ni Hawkins on Chris King. Ha? Ito na. Aquino versus Holland.
Uy, nakasikip din naman ngayon ang depensa ng Alaska Milk sa loob. Johnny Abarientos zigzagging his way through to the front court. Dwight Lago, binigay kay Kevin Holland. Nilabas kay Jolas. Lastimosa with a 3-point shot! Jojo Lastimosa is sizzling hot dito sa third quarter.
Siya nagdadala ng opensa ngayon ng Alaska. And Chris King double teamed. He has to give it up.
6 na lang ang kabante ng Gordon's Gin at 69-63. 5 minutes to go in the third period. Malayo pa tayo mga kaibigan. Chris King, binato sa labas. Libre si Bal David pero ayaw pumasok ang tira. Johnny Abarientos with a rebound para sa Alaska Milk. Johnny ngayon binababa ang bola. Mabilis bumaba ang Gordon sa depensa. Benny Cheng smothering Johnny Abarientos there. No other way to stop the guy.
Partner, fishing na lang yung tira na yun ni Johnny Barrientos. He knew he was gonna get fouled as he was able to escape the first line of defense.
Pero parang hinalukay yung mukha ni Johnny Abarientos dyan.
Barrientos back at the stripe. At alam po natin ito si Barrientos, halos hindi nagmimintis sa stripe. Naku,
Ikaw naman,
sinabi ko pa.
Bakit mo naman ang ginagawa yung tao?
Nakikita ko sa statistics.
Mr. Andres Soriano
Yes,
III.
Andy Soriano III is here at the Araneta Coliseum to cheer La Tondeña's franchise. Siya po ay chairman ng La Tondeña. And before game 1 of the series, meron tayong nahagirap na balita that he gave a handwritten note to Coach Robert Jaworski, encouraging Jaworski and the Gordon's Gin team to give it all they've got, 110%. Ang sabi ni Mr. Soriano III. Kasama po yata niya ang kanyang anak.
Ba't kaya ayaw kong tanongin kung kanino mo nasagap yung balitang eh? Parang alam ko na eh.
Kay Bert Navarro. At nagsabi sa akin,
Akala ko yung mas malapit sa buhay mo. JV Gayoso with 4 points in the game. Meron tayong 71-64 count and it's a 7-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin.
partner, speaking of Bert Navarro, nandun sa bench si Mr. Ande, wala na yata.
Kanina nakita natin.
Kanina nakita natin. And si Bert Navarro used to be a team manager of the La Tondeña franchise.
Siya ang presidente ngayon, di ba?
Ngayon, siya lang ang presidente.
Jojo Lastimosa blocked by JV Gayoso and a traveling violation is called. Jojo was hoping for a jump ball situation pero traveling ang tinawag.
Yes. Tama yung tawag because he was blocked and he came down with the ball.
Dala-dala niya yung bola eh.
Yes, ito yung block ni Gayoso.
Kabit na kabit.
And he
oh.
came down
Oo.
with the ball, and that's why he will be called for the traveling.
Samantala, Chris King ngayon, binabantayan ni Dwight Lago. There's a double team by Bong Hawkins. Gayoso. Down the middle, JV Gayoso. There's going to be a foul and 2 shots given to JV Gayoso.
And partner, here is where the locals of Gordon's Gin must step up. At
Oo.
parang nag-i-spatter na ang opensa ni Chris King. Alaska playing good defense on Chris King. Ngayon naman, ang mga locals ng Gordons must show that kaya nilang buhatin itong Gordon's Gin team under this furious uprising ng Alaska.
To JV Gayoso doing well from the free throw line is 3 of 3. As you see, a very pensive Tim Conan and animated Robert Jaworski. Gayoso doing 100% from the free throw line tonight. At lamang ng siyam ang Gordon's Gin with 4 minutes remaining dito sa ating third period. Kevin Holland nasa labas against Marlo Aquino. Dwight Lago versus Benny Cheng. Jojo Lastimosa binabantayan ni JV Gayoso. Here's Bong Hawkins against Chris King. Hawkins decides to go for the jumper. Medyo malakas. At si Bal David ang sumulpot para kunin ang rebound para sa Gordon's Gin into the front court. Binigay kay JV Gayoso. Gayoso ngayon nakatingin sa loob pero hindi pinasa kay Benny Cheng. Nalabas kay Bal David.
Partner, ang patience, ha? In
Oo.
previous occasions, you would expect JV Gayoso to just take a